135 feet. So it makes it 851 feet total in height. This big crane here goes back to 1931. Each cable on that crane there is 6¾ inches thick. It can hold up to 20,000 pounds, 10 tons each. Here's the bridge above us, the Michael Callahan Pat Tillman Bridge. This bridge was constructed and ready for service in 2010, October 3rd. They used the bridge for the first time. So for about 5 years, we couldn't go over the top of the Hoover Dam here while they were building this bridge. So we had to detour about 100 miles down into Laughlin to go out to the Grand Canyon. Coming around the corner here, you'll get to see the Colorado River off to our right. Right now the Colorado River is nice and calm. The water level is below the little sandbar out there, but this afternoon, when all 17 turbines are running, the water will be a lot deeper. It'll be 8 feet deeper when all 17 turbines run. They suck the water from the lake, take it. Primitive on this end here. So our next stop over in Dolan Spring, we do have restroom facilities, indoor restroom facilities. So if you need to wash up there, there's restrooms there. So we'll be picking up our lunch. We'll be taking about another 45 minutes to get there. So when we come back this afternoon, we'll pass over the top of the bridge, and you'll get some really nice shots of the dam looking down off to the right. So 112 men lost their lives working here on the project. The most, I think, eerie or kind of unbelievable circumstances was the first person and the last person to die. They were father and son, 13 years apart. Irish, last name was Tierney. Even the name sounds sad, Tierney. Yeah, so if you want to do the tour of the Hoover Dam, it's a complete different tour. We don't make a stop here to do the tour in the dam. We don't have the time for that, because when we get up to the Grand Canyon, you'll have a total of 3.5 hours there, so that takes up a lot of the time. It takes about almost 2 hours and 20 minutes to drive up there, about 2 hours 20 minutes back. Then you're there for 3.5 hours, so that's a long day already as it is. But we do have Hoover Dam tours that come out here during the day. So if you guys want information on that, I can give you that and connect you with our Hoover Dam tour. So they still use this giant crane yet above us. They still move merchandise. They do use it for different big projects here. So the bridge above us, the O'Callahan-Tillman Bridge, this opened up on October 3rd, 2010. It's 4 lanes highway above. The Hoover Dam contains 4.5 million cubic yards of concrete. This bridge here, only 9,000 cubic yards of concrete. It's mostly steel. 90% of it is steel. So it's an arch type bridge, and it took them 4 years to build. So the name Michael Callahan comes from the former governor. He was a highly decorated veteran from the Korean War. And Pat Tillman, he was the football player turned Green Beret who lost his life in Afghanistan. So the name going to be going up to the West Rim, which is part of the Colorado River here. So this is the beginning of the Grand Canyon.
1, 2, 3-room family cottages went up in a fury of sawdust and sand. Landscape change.
Cały Grand Canyon przelecieć z sobą, a zobaczymy, czeka na pomysł na dalszy. Ale to wysiadamy. No tak, wysiadamy.